Ethereum value equivalent to 54,620 rands a coin. The present cost range 53,430 55,425. The earlier day close 55,158. The change was 538 to 98%. Opposite rate ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 35,771 rands. Exorbitant cost 40,43.99, while low cost 35,771. The middle value of cost 39,359. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 41,494, change for September 16%. Ethereum estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 41,494 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,110, while low cost 39,208. The middle value of cost 41,993. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,259, change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 40,259 rands. Excessive cost 40,862, while low cost 40,259. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 44,760. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 45,759, change for November 85%. Ethereum conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 45,759 rands. Excessive cost 55,922, while low cost 45,759. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 49,926. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 50,264, change for December 14.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 50,264 rands. Exorbitant cost 59,875, while low cost 50,241. The middle value of cost 55,035. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 55,958, change for January 7.1%. Ethereum estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 55,958 rands. Exorbitant cost 60,909, while low cost 50,2939. The middle value of cost 56,683. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 50,6924, change for February 1.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 50,6924 rands. Excessive cost 50,7218, while low cost 49,732. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 50,337. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 53,475, change for spring 6.1%. Ethereum figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 53,475 rands. Excessive cost 53,475, while low cost 45,351. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 50,266. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 48,764, change for April 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 48,764 rands. Exorbitant cost 51,228, while low cost 40,4526. The middle value of cost 48,099. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,7877, change for May 1.8%. Ethereum estimate for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 47,877 rands. Exorbitant cost 55,352, while low cost 40,7877. The middle value of cost 50,709. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 51,731, change for June 8%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 51,731 rands. Excessive cost 58,426, while low cost 50,782. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 53,886. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 50,604, change for July 5.6%. Ethereum figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 50,604 rands. Excessive cost 60,448, while low cost 54,604. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 58,472. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 60.32, change for August 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 62.32 rands. Exorbitant cost 68,665, while low cost 59,681. The found the middle value of cost 63.88. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 64.73. Change for September 6.5%. Ethereum gauge for October 2025. To start with, cost at 60.4173 rands. Exorbitant cost 79,652, while low cost 60.40.173. The found the middle value of cost 70,610. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 74.41. Change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 70.44.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 74.41, while low cost 63.313. The found the middle value of cost 70,068. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 60.1878. Change for November 8.5%. Ethereum gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 60.8078 rands. Exorbitant cost 74.9, while low cost 64.325. The found the middle value of cost 60.8895. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 69.167. Change for December 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 69.167 rands. Exorbitant cost 85.850, while low cost 69.167. The found the middle value of cost 70.61.5. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 82.34. Change for January 16%. Ethereum gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 80.234 rands. Exorbitant cost 82.34, while low cost 60.17.708. The found the middle value of cost 75.245. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 70.2804. Change for February 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 70.28.4 rands. Exorbitant cost 70.42.91, while low cost 60.45.71. The found the middle value of cost 72.74. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 69.431. Change for spring 4.6%. Ethereum estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 69.431 rands. Exorbitant cost 86.78, while low cost 69.431. The found the middle value of cost 70.63.95. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's